guys, thanks for coming today. Got to get up a little bit earlier. Yes? All right. 3rd through 5th graders, appreciate you coming. So we're going to be doing some experiments for RAE, R-A-E, Really Amazing Experiments. And it has to do with money. We're going to be doing a few things with pennies and a dollar bill and some other coins. You guys ready? All right, so I have here a penny. And my penny looks kind of tarnished and yucky, doesn't it? Okay, so I'm going to take this penny, I'm going to put it here in my bowl. Can you see my bowl? And I'm going to take some hot sauce. Some hot sauce. And I'm going to put it on top of my penny. And we're going to give it a little bit of time. Can you guys see it from the mirror? Putting it on top of the penny. Sorry, I'll see if I can. Can you see that now?
Yes.
Can you see it? Okay.
Yeah,
It doesn't like to see
that's
it.
better.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to give it a little bit of time and see what happens. But while we're doing that, I'm going to take this cup and I'm going to fill it up with some water. I'm going to fill all the way to the top, the very, very top. Can you see that my water is at the top? At the top, top, top. All right. So we're now going to take some pennies. And I need 2 helpers. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take these pennies and we're going to see how many pennies we can put in the cup before the water starts to overflow. Anybody have a guess how many pennies we could put in this cup first? Excuse me. Is it Stuart? How many?
19.
19 pennies. Remember that. Claire, how many pennies do you think?
Maybe like 60.
60. Wow, that is a bunch. Yes, ma'am. How many? 13. So we got 13, 19, 60. I need the 2 helpers. Let's go. You in front and let's see. Okay. So I'm going to give you some pennies here. Nevada, come on up. And you can come stand right over here. And we're going to count. You guys ready? We're going to count as they start dropping them in. So you'll go 1, you go 2, 3, and stop at 13 and let's see what's happening, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Stop, stop, okay? All right, we gotta go 19, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and stop. And then we've got to go to 60. Woo! Okay, as you drop them, don't throw them, okay? So 20, go ahead. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, oops, 47, keep going, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, and stop. Can you guys see something that's happening on top of this cup? I want you back up just a little bit. Can you see something happening on this cup? I'm going to see if I can tilt it. Can you see what's happening? Nevada, what do you see what's happening? There's kind of like a bubble. Is the bubble over the top of the cup? Yes. Can you see that bubble that's over the top of the cup?
Yes, I've done that many times.
You've done this many times before. Well, that's awesome. I'm so glad that you were an expert to help us out. Can you guys see the bubble that's kind of forming over the top?
Yes.
Okay, so why is it that the water's not spilling over the side? What do you think? Shouldn't it be? I mean, if it's over the top of the cup, shouldn't it be pouring off to the side? Ariel, do you have an idea? No? Anybody else? No? So let's go 20 more, okay?
Oh my God.
Okay, go a little bit slower. I've got lost count. Okay. Go ahead. I'm just going to 1, 15, 20, and stop. Okay, stop, stop. Oh my goodness. Miss Watson, can you see that it's overflowing? Or that it's bubbling over? Mm-hmm. All right, we have 80 pennies in this cup. Now, granted, they got a little carried away and some water has spilled out, but you do not see water flowing over the edge. We have something going on here. We're going to do one more experiment with the pennies here. Thank you, guys. See? All right, so we're going to take now a penny, and we're going to see how many drops of water we can put on top of this penny before it falls off. Okay, so I need 2 more helpers again. In the purple, that's you, and Sergio, come on up. So you're going to go, and you're going to, there's your dropper, and here's your dropper. Okay, if you guys could kind of stand back just a little bit like that. And we're going to, you drop 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then you go to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. Okay, stop, 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 stop. Can you guys see what's happening here on that penny?
Yes. Yes.
Can you see what's happening, Sergio? What's happening?
It's creating another bubble.
It's creating another bubble. Do you know what's going on? I thought water took the shape of whatever area it's in, whatever container.
It's not in anything.
It's not in a container. It's on top. So why is it holding the shape? You guys ever heard of like the molecules?
Oh,
Yes. Okay. We're actually creating water tension. That water wants to stay together. It doesn't want to fall. Have you guys ever been in the car when it's raining and you see the water droplets hitting the windshield and they start moving down and then they collect and they get more and they move faster? So that water tension is kind of building up and gravity's pulling it down. So cool. Thank you guys. We've got at least 10 drops of water in here and it is not falling off that. Thank you so much. Perfect. All right, you guys are great helpers. Hey, we're going to go ahead. We're going to look at this penny. I'm going to use my glove because it's hot sauce, and I don't want hot sauce on my hands and then accidentally touch my face and or my eyes or something and hurt myself. So I'm going to now take the hot sauce, and I'm going to, oh my goodness. Look at that. Oops. Can you guys see what's happened to my penny? Oh, it's now quite shiny. Yes. What do you think happened?
The hot sauce, when you dipped it in water, and the hot sauce got in the bowl, and then it went back to the penny.
Okay. Well, actually, when I rubbed some of that hot sauce off, I could see that it was pretty shiny. I rinsed it in the water. Okay? So there is something in this hot sauce that is making that penny shiny. Claire, what do you think?
Hot pepper, because the hot pepper burned the dirt.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Stuart, did you want to say something?
I think it was the same
You
thing.
think it's the hot pepper in it? Well, let's try one other thing. I have some vinegar, and I'm going to put a 1/4 cup, 1/4 of a cup of vinegar in this bowl here. And then I have some salt. I'm going to put a teaspoon of salt in the bowl. That, and we're going to stir it up. Now I need to find another tarnished penny. You see my penny? It's pretty brown. We're going to put it in this bowl. And we're going to let it sit. Okay? Can you guys see what's happening here in the bowl?
Yes,
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
What's happening to my penny? Georgina, what's happening to my penny?
It's getting
It's getting
shiny.
shiny again. We are having a chemical reaction. So, we've taken vinegar and salt, and together, it is shining up the penny. There is vinegar, and salt in the hot sauce. Peppers sound like a good idea, but it's actually actually the vinegar and the salt that she needs. All right, we'll rinse it off. And there you go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. I have a dollar bill. I need someone to come up here and try to balance a penny on the dollar bill. Oh, and come on up. Here's my dollar bill. I want you to balance this penny on top of this dollar bill. Okay, kind of stand this way. I don't know. Oh, man. Almost had it. Oh, it's not easy to do, is it? All right, thank you. Let's have someone else come up. Green shirt. You have a sticker, right? Bounce a penny on the dollar bill. No? Darn. One more try. Okay, you guys ready? See my dollar bill? I'm going to fold it in half.
Because this is one of the magic tricks on YouTube.
And I'm going to put my penny right here and balance it as it's. Okay, and then watch. I can open, hopefully, up my dollar bill. Nope. My penny's balancing.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, we've got 2 more that we'll do. So now I have an index card. I put a hole in it. I have a quarter. I would like to put this quarter through the hole. Any helpers? Do you have a sticker, honey? No, darn it. Who has a sticker? You've been up. Come on, okay. So put this, and I want you to put it through that. Oh, man. That doesn't seem to want to go. Turn this way. Okay, here we go. No, no. Oh, you're ripping my card. You can't do that. Push, push. Oh, I can see she's pushing. It is not going. Well, I've got my quarter. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to fold my card. Ta-da. You can try that at home too. All right. We have, we'll just do one last thing since we're running a little long. So I need, in the red shirt, is it Tyler? Come on up, Tyler. So I have this coin, and you may have my nickel. If you can take this coin, start at your forehead and roll all the way down to the tip of your nose. Okay? Okay. I want you to hold it between your 2 fingers. Like that. And I want you to roll it. It's got to be standing like this. Look. You have it standing up. Can you see like that? And roll it down. Okay? If you can roll it, let it roll. No, you're going to hold it and roll it down your face. Here, try again. And roll it down. Do it again for him. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Does he win? Yes? What did I do? Emma, what did I do? I made a thing on his face. Oh no, look. Tyler, look at your face. Look what I did! Okay, so I took a very soft edge coin, a nickel, and I took a pencil and I rubbed the outside of the nickel and then trick somebody to do it down their face. You are a good sport. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Well, that is it for today. Appreciate you guys coming. And check us out on YouTube, okay?